Alright, so we're starting like this. That rear pin should be there. Bolt should be forward. We're going to flip the rifle over. Now we're going to take this pin, push it through towards the right side, and then pull it out until it stops. It'll look about like that. Then what we're going to do is allow the upper to pivot away from the lower. And we're going to grab the charging handle, pull it a little bit of ways back, and then we can pull the bolt out through the rear. And we can pull the charging handle until it comes out of its little notch. You're going to have to push it down a little bit. There's a cut in there. That it tracks in. Pull that right on out, and then to reassemble you just reverse the order.